and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate plumbing service bookings via WhatsApp. That instead of this automated chatbot will reply to your users and book their plumbing services without you doing any manual efforts. And that will possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of plumber. Here I am sending my first message as plumbing service. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see I have received one message from my bot, that is, hello, welcome to Aquafix Plumbing Services. How can I assist you today? While providing me two quick buttons, that is book services and our services. Here I want to book a service, so I am clicking on this book service button. Then you can see it will ask me to select the plumbing service that I need, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of plumbing services, that is pipe leak repair, drain cleaning and water heater repair. Here I want to book a drain cleaning service, so I am selecting this. Then you can see it will ask me for my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. After that, it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number also. After that, it will ask me to share the complete address so that the technician can visit, so I am sharing one test address also. After that, it will ask me to share the date and when I would like to visit the technician, so I am sharing one date also. After that, the timing. After that, you can see I have received one customized message from my bot, which includes my name that I have given as test user, service type that I have selected from the list as drain cleaning, my address, date and time for booking. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for doing your plumbing service bookings via WhatsApp, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. You can check the description for the video link. Now as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate plumbing service bookings via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active and inactive button. With the help of this button your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not reply to your user. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birth date is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from input such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keyword box as plumbing service. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here, water leakage. Here I added only two keywords. You can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of plumbing service, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message, which includes two quick buttons. For that I am taking this text button, drag this box here where I am going to write my message in this enter message box. That is, hello, welcome to Aquafix Plumbing Services. How can I assist you today? So for answering this, I am providing two quick buttons for my user. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as book service. After that, I am adding one more, our services. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this welcome message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now let's assume my users wants to book a service. Then they will click on this book service button. Then my bot will reply to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer, where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that you have to write the body in this enter body box, that I am going to write as what type of plumbing services do you need. After that you have to write the footer in this enter footer box. Here I am not writing it. After that I want to write the types of plumbing services. For that I am clicking on this H section button where I am going to write the section title as services types. After that I want to write the list of plumbing services. For that I am clicking on this plus add items buttons 3 times where I am going to write the first service type in this enter title box as pipe leak repair. After that if you want to write the description, then you can write in this enter description box. Here I am not writing it. After that I am adding 2 more service types in both of these boxes, that is drain cleaning and water heater repair. Here I added only 3 service types. You can add multiple. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. After that I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book services to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the service type, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, here I am going to do the setting up of one custom field tag. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. I'll drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as service type. After that in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is pipe leak repair. After that I am connecting this circle to this message because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this service type. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field not here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving forward, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever moving anywhere or switching to the another tab, save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of uses. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, etc. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, contact custom field is used. When you scroll down, Here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of service type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I setting this knot for this pipe leak repair. After that I am going to do the setting up of 2 more contact custom field knot for both of these services types. Here I added, you can see I have used the same contact custom field inside it, that is the service type, but I only changed the value. At the end, this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. After that I am connecting this drain cleaning circle to their specific contact custom field knot, and for the last one also to there. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the service type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that I am taking one ask question button, drag this box here and writing a message as, may I know your full name? For that I am going to select the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I select as text, as name should always in the format of text. The next one is the number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you respond in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will share me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their contact number. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this box here and writing a question as, please share your contact number so our technician can reach you. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that the format I select as number, then you have to write the minimum and the maximum value in these boxes. That I am going to write as 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. This is the default minimum and maximum value for the number format. You can also use this. After that the number of attempt I will give as 0. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will provide me their contact number, then my bot will ask them to share their address, date for booking the technician and the timing. For that I am taking this ask question button 3 times, drag this boxes here and writing the questions in each of these boxes. Here I write all the questions where at first I write that kindly provide your complete address for the service visit. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as address. After that the format I select as any. After that I ask my user to share the date for visiting the technician. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as booking date. After that the format I select as date. Then at last I ask my user to share their preferred timing. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as booking time. After that the format I select as any. After that I am connecting all these questions to each other. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now when all these processes should done, then at last my bot will provide one customized message to my users which includes their name, address, date for booking the technician and the timing. For that I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button, drag this box here and writing my respond message in this enter message box. Here I write that is, thank you, your plumbing service booking is confirmed. Here are your details, name with dollar symbol, full name, service type, address, booking date and booking time. You can see I have used a dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will capture my user's response and mention their name in this place. This is same for service types and rest of the contact custom fields also. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now the next button is the our services. If my users wants to check the services that I am providing to them, then they will click on this our services button. Then my bot will reply to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write all the services that I am providing to my user. Here I added all the plumbing services. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate plumbing service bookings via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties in the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Then the process of booking heating, plumbing services without you doing any manual efforts, and that will only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.